guys, today I'm bringing you into the YouTube studio room portion of my house, and I'm going to show you all the equipment and all the software of what I use to make the videos that you see on my channel. Just so I could show you guys the actual camera that I use more often to film, I'm filming on my iPhone 7 right now, and sometimes I film LEGO Friends season episodes on here, and sometimes I film quick little videos like my Ipsy hauls or my makeup hauls on here. But when I really want to try my best, I use my Nikon Coolpix B500 camera. It's not the best quality for sure, but it really is a step up from what I used to use. When I started my YouTube channel, I was using an iPod 4. So that says a lot about how far we came. This is just what the camera looks like as a whole. The lens is under this lens cap right now, and it comes out pretty far. I could get some nice zooming action without it being poor quality. This part of the camera also comes like down a little bit, or you can move it at different angles for different angles of shooting. Fun facts, every time I use my iPhone to film videos, I use iMovie, a software on iPhones, to edit. And every time I use my Nikon camera to make the higher quality videos, I use Final Cut Pro on my MacBook Air. Final Cut is on the rather expensive side just because it has so many more options and things you can do compared to iMovie. So it's definitely an investment, but it's worth it. The tripod that I use for my camera is a Samsonite tripod. This is about how tall it gets. I want to say it's probably about 4 feet tall, which I don't need any more than that, especially for this table right here. This is the table that I have all of my LEGO Friends on. This is just, there's some storage items in this room because I still live with my parents, obviously, because I'm young, so I can't have an entire room just for my videos. But this is an old dining room table, which I've mentioned in past videos. I've had this for like 2 years now, this setup. I want to say 2, maybe 3 years. But yeah, it just fits everything so nicely, and it's honestly huge. It takes up like more than half of the room, but it works. As for lighting, I have 2 of these gigantic RPS studio lights, which range between $300 and $500. So this is just one of the covers for the light. I'll show you what it looks like on. These are the controls on the back of this. For my LEGO Friends videos, I only use one because I can't have it be too super duper bright. But I just turn this on. It makes a little beeping sound, and then you could see how intensely bright this whole town gets. I've only recently got these, so I've been using it for like the past week, maybe 2 weeks in my videos, so you've probably only recently noticed the quality change. So besides those things, I usually keep notes or reminders in my phone for what videos I want to film. I still have a book of LEGO Friends episodes that I use for when I plan my filming out. And like I previously mentioned, for editing, it's typically Final Cut Pro. Sometimes, like once in a while, I use iMovie, and the Final Cut Pro is on my MacBook Air. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know it was pretty short, but I just wanted to give you guys some insight on the equipment that I use in case you guys were curious of what you wanted to buy for yourself, or just curious how I get my videos to look and seem the way that they do. I'll see you guys in the next video on my channel. Just remember to like and subscribe for more videos coming soon, and comment any video ideas that you have to win a shout out, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Bye guys, have a great day, enjoy the rest of your summer.